5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's learn the 32 steps to get ugly. Counts, here we go. It starts with, on the right foot with sway, sway. So right hips, left hip, and a shuffle or a triple step to the right, triple step, and then a left sailor step, quarter turn. So sailor step. Then we bring the right foot around. Some people sweep it. I just get it there to stomp it and then hitch it. So it looks like this. The first 8 counts. 1, sway, sway, triple step, sailor step, stomp, hitch. Good. Then we're going to go, after we hitch, we're going to do a pony and a pony. Pony step, rock, recover, and a full 360 turn over your left shoulder with 2 steps to the 3 o'clock wall. Good. Then we do a right mambo, and a left mambo with the last count turning us again, because it's 2 walls. We need to get to that wall. So mambo, turn on the left foot. Then toe switches, toe and toe and toe, prep for a full turn to the front wall. Turn and then stomp, hold, body, roll, pick it up, walk, walk, and another full turn. And I like to cross it, cross to turn. Okay. So let's go over that again. First 32 counts. 6, 7, 8. Sway, sway, triple step, sailor step, forward pop, pony step, and a pony step, and a rock, recover, and I'm not going to do it, a full turn. Then a mambo right, modified left, toe and prep, full turn and stomp. Hold, body, roll, right, left, and a full turn again. I'm not going to turn. Okay, the counts go like this. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, turn, 7, 8. Mambo, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, turn, stomp, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn. So when you come out of the turn into the stomp, hold, and a body roll. So those counts are a little bit different. So let's do that one more time from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Prepare, turn. And mambo, mambo, turn. Point and prepare, turn, stomp, hold. Body roll and walk, walk, turn. Oh, I did it with words. Okay, counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, turn, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6 and 7, turn. 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, walk, 5, 6, and turn. That's it. That's Get Ugly. 1 restart after the 8 counts on wall. 4. So the restart looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. But we're going to restart, so we have to turn over our right shoulder to that wall. 1, 2. To me, that was the tricky part. And then after the tag, so the tags after 16 counts. So that would look like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. We do the mambo, 1 and 2, step 3, 4. And then we start again. So each time we have to turn back off of our sidewall over our right shoulder to start the dance again. I have a full tutorial and a demo about this dance, and I'll link that. Thank you. Bye.